everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android battery health dropping fast. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to settings and see which app is using the most battery, especially if you have added a recent app. Simply head over to your quick settings. From that, head over to settings, tap on battery, and then tap on battery users. From here, check the app battery users after it loads, and if there are any apps that are using your battery too much and you recently installed them, you can try uninstalling them. The other thing that you must do is head over to adaptive battery and then toggle on adaptive battery, which limits battery for apps that you don't use often. The other thing that you must do is make sure that sleep standby optimization is toggled on for your battery, and then you can head over to charging assistant and then toggle charging assistant on as well. The other thing that you can do is head over to battery health and set it to a custom charging mode where your battery is capped at a certain charging percent, which will also extend your battery life. One more thing that you must do is update your device if you have not already. For that, simply head over to your settings, head over to system, tap on system updates, and update your device to the latest version if there are any updates. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.